Here's how to make a song to Donna AI. First, Donna AI can be searched on Google, Safari, or Chrome. And then once you press it, you will be redirected on this page where you will see that it is a free AI music generator. So the simple thing that you need is add your lyrics or just do prompts of the music that you wanted to create. So let's say, for example, the prompt that we are going to put is generate a hip hop song or a hip hop music. Now, you what to do is create now or just choose a vocal voice. Is it a custom singer, female voice, male voice, or random? And then click on create now options. But of course, you need to sign in first so that the generation of the music will now appear on your end. You can also edit the styles and make your own title. Just make sure that you have already know the lyrics of your song, and then you can also do an inspired lyrics or make your song instrumental. It actually depends on you on how you want your music to be produced by Donna AI.